hell's she looking at? Ugh. All right, watch out. I'm coming over, lady. Blinker. If only there was a white line system so you knew which lane to stay in. There we go. Good job, dumbass. Yes. Yes. Jesus loves you. I think you're an asshole. And then she just cuts in front of me. Like, how much progress did you make? It's 158 wheelbase. That's how much progress you made. From there to there. Good job. Going on a little field trip today. I actually get to take the van out. I haven't driven this thing just a couple 100 miles. And I am deliberately finding the roads that have the most potholes on them, because every time I add something to the van, someone says that it's going to fall down because of potholes and vibration. So we're going to test that theory. This road is under construction, so I'm going to hit it as hard as I possibly can to see what's going to fall down. Oh. Tried and tested, folks. Anyway, a couple weeks ago I got an email from a woman who manages a retirement home, and she asked me if I would bring the Babe bus to the retirement home. It's called Carolina Bay, and do a presentation on the bus and why I'm doing it, and let the residents see the van. And I was like, well, what age range are we talking? And she said, about 70 to 96. And I was like, hell yeah. If you've been watching these videos sequentially, you know that my grandmother, well, both of my grandmothers are a big part of the reason that I'm doing this in the first place. So I was thrilled to death. I've been looking forward to this all week. Really, you all have been the only ones who've gotten to see it besides anyone who's helped me work on it. So I'm headed there now, and I told her, I said, hey, you know, just to let you know, I will try to bring the filter that goes on my mouth with me, but, you know, I kind of just talk off the cuff, and anytime I've done speaking engagements, you know, I really just go with it, and so I just hope that they have a sense of humor. And she told me that they would probably be the ones making me blush. I think after you're 70 years old, you can say whatever you want. Brace yourselves for impact. Still nothing fell down. Okay, I think we're going good. Now watch, I'll go back there and like everything will be all over the place. I'm here, and let's go meet some seasoned veterans of life. This place is called Carolina Bay, and this is not the kind of retirement community that the Romans retired to. There are some fancy people up in here. This is beautiful. Hell, I'm gonna get me a man in here. All right, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna be an adult, and I'm not gonna swear while I'm in there. But I bet you anything that they will. Like I said, after you're 70, you can kind of do whatever you want. So this is my crowd. Let's do this thing. Right? But I cannot make more time. So that's where my investment
Sleeps 2, sleeps 3.
Like I said, there is no Mr. Casey. I'm gonna take this time when nothing is working to go focus on things that make me happy. But I was gonna go chase those things down, wherever they were around the country. I gave them a whole presentation about the Babe Bus and why I was doing it, and it was very similar to that video I posted around Christmas time. Similar to that video, I had pictures of both my grandmothers in there, and I talked about them since they were a big part of the reason that all of this is happening. And so after I gave my talk, we went outside and I got to show them the van, and they had all kinds of excellent questions. A lot of them have traveled the world, so they did really have some good questions. And at the very end, right as I was about to leave, we decided we were all going to take a group photo together with the Babe Bus. And I swear to you, this was their idea, not mine. But if you remember that picture of my granny with her middle finger raised high and proud for the pose that we picked, everyone put up their spirit finger.